How to cancel Milestone Credit Card. Welcome to Lemme Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. There are basically two main ways to initiate the closure. Firstly, you need to contact the customer service. The number is typically located on the back of your card, but you can also find in the Milestone website. Just type in milestone.myfinanceservice.com. If not, Milestone also offers secure messaging through their website. You might be able to request closure that way. However, you will have to give them confirmation along with follow up. That may require written confirmation via mail or email, and they will also monitor your credit report. Next, before closing your credit card, make sure that you have paid off your balance. Also, redeem any reward that is in your card. Because once you close or cancel a milestone credit card, you will no longer have your access to the existing balance nor the reward. And that's all for the video as well. We hope that you found it informative.